Question 6. Here is a fair four-sided spinner. Lily will spin the spinner once. The spinner will land on one of the colours. Part A says, on the probability scale, mark with a cross the probability that the spinner will land on green. So the probability of green is going to be 1 out of 4. The probability of a red is going to be 1 out of 4. And the probability of a blue is going to be 2 out of 4, which is a half. So the part A says, what is the probability? And mark with an X the probability that the spinner will land on a green. So that is 1/4. 1 out of 4. So if half is here and 0 is here, a quarter is exactly in between 0 and a half. That's it for part A. So that's 1 mark. Part B says, on the probability scale, mark with a cross the probability that the spinner will land on a blue. Probability of a blue is 2 out of 4, which is the same as a half, so it should be here. That's also worth 1 mark. Part C says, on the probability scale, mark with a cross the probability that the spinner will land on a yellow. Well, there is no yellow, so it's impossible to land on a yellow. So the probability of landing on a yellow is 0 out of 4, or 0. So impossible, 0 is here. And that's also worth 1 mark. And that's it for question 6.